Continue on Park Road 16 for 1 mile.
I'm hoping they have a kiosk. If not, they do not have a fancy little pay station. It's very basic, but I was able to do some of it online. It says no vacancies. I did the self-pay for the day pass, or like my passport or whatever it's called, pass. But the guy said in the morning this morning I could see if he can get me into a site that is open. All right. I heard a mosquito in my ear, so I already know I'm going to be using my mosquito repellent. It is so gorgeous here. The pines are so tall and so pretty, but it's already super hot outside. I'm just finding like a day use area just to kind of park and wait until 8:30. Parking myself in this day use area. It's very still out there. It's very muggy outside right now, very humid. But I'm just waiting until 8:30 in order to make my way back up to the check-in area and hopefully secure a site for tonight. But we shall see. Here's to drinking coffee on the lake or near the lake. I absolutely love sleeping in, but there's something about being up early in the morning before everyone else is up, all the noises. It's just really nice to be up early. It's actually Labor Day weekend. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but people are here claiming spots. This is Tyler State Park, and so it's super popular. Like, even when I was a kid, this was the state park that my parents took us to. So it's also very nostalgic whenever I come here, but people are taking claim to spots, and if I come back later on today, this area is going to be like so crowded. So I'm really glad that I got here early. Ooh, I look at this flowers. I would say they're like a petunia in some way, some kind of petunia. This is the last time I've gone out, or the first time I've gone out with the 4Runner. You can see that I have a little roof rack awning. That's what my husband got me for my birthday. And then also this panel. I actually have the panel from the seller. They found it and gave it to me. So I'm going to figure out how to get it back on and where it's secure, because I hate to put it on and then for it to fly off. But yeah, I am out of breath. But I'm going to get back in. I'm out of breath from the stairs. I'm so out of shape, apparently. But I'm going to get back in and then probably rest a little bit because I'm really tired. This is the current state of my 4Runner right now. I am going to organize some things and then I'll probably have like 10 minutes to organize stuff, and then I'm gonna drive my way back up to the check-in, and hopefully I can get a site. We'll see. If I can't get a site, it's okay. Like I can always just like, chill out, day camp in the days area. When I get this place cleaned up. Oh, try it again. Okay, got everything organized. I am really sad that this completely killed my Jackery last night. No brainer. Anyway, I want to think I've lightly packed, but maybe that's not really a thing for me, because I just like to have like all this stuff. Just never know. But I do like this setup right here where it's just like a tub and it's open, so I can just grab stuff out. This right here is sort of twofold. It's like it floats out into like a little table, so it can be like a table here, kind of like a nice stand situation. But I can use it like at a campsite as a place to place things on. It has like little legs. And this is just my backpack that I have all my food and stuff in. This and this can actually like stay in the car. I'm trying to get it to where like if I want to go somewhere, I just pretty much just bring myself and a bag and I'm good, We shall see. I still have not brought the refrigerator. I felt like I don't have enough power in order to power it all night, and I definitely know I don't, because they couldn't even do the fan. I have my permit. I was able to get a site with full hookup, so I have electricity. I think I'm gonna go do some hiking, I think, just to get like a hike out of the way. And then from there, I think I'm gonna just come back and actually go to, hold on, what time is it? Oh, I think I'm gonna go to, actually not doing hiking, I think I'm gonna go to the park, but the zoo. There's a zoo out here that's opening in a little bit, so I think I'm gonna go do that. Go hike around the zoo instead. I'm at my campsite. I am just gonna rest because I'm super tired. I did go to Dollar Tree to get some stuff, so I think I'm gonna go through that first and then take a nap. I sort of need to use the restroom, but it's kind of far, so we'll see how long I can hold it. But I put the window netting back here, and I might sleep with it like this as well. I'll see how I feel about the window being open here versus up there. This is a campsite. I know I'm so much better tonight than I did last night. But that's a little base camp right there. I want a base camp. We have it, me and my husband, we have an RV, but we haven't taken it out in a while. And now I'm into this whole like car camping concept thing. But being in a campground isn't anything new. It's different because I'm like in a car versus the RV. But this is an RV site or loop. No tents are allowed. But I told the guy I'm not pitching a tent or anything. I got this particular location versus another one because this location has electricity. The other location that was available did not have electricity. I think that I could run a cable through here, but I didn't bring like my big cable or my big extension cord, but I could move this closer to the little power pole thing. All right, I'm about to unbox this stuff and I'll kind of go through it. This is what I bought from Dollar Tree. This is what I went in for. Hold up, I thought I bought 2 of them. I don't see 2. Okay, no, I picked up 1 and then the extension cord. And then I have like a little phone thing that I use at home. I was like, oh, I should have brought that. But then I was like, I can just have like a dedicated one. I do not really feel like eating anything, but I know later on I will. So I just bought like some baked beans and some crackers, if nothing else. Some Gatorade. These are some hooks that I'm hoping that I can use to hook things either right there or right there. I'll see how it works out. This, don't know what I would use this for, but it was in my color, which is black. And then I realized that I needed some, like, a toolbox in here. I did not have a toolbox, or I don't have a toolbox. It was just some simple tools. You just never know. So I bought that box, and what else? These bags here. These are just black drawstring bags. This, I was like, okay, I'm gonna organize all my cables, like my charging cables in here, because right now I just don't even know, like, they're just in this. I'll show you what they're in. They're in a container, and I consider it like semi-organized, but not really. This is what it's in, and they're just cords in there. They're organized in that it's in a bag, but this allows for me to put the cords in the other, like the bricks or any other small like electronic items that I have. There's just so many charging cords, and everything comes with a little USB thing, and so I really need to find all the USB type of chargers, and at least have one of each. And then if something comes with an extra cord, I'll know that I already have it in my little charging cable box. And then I bought this basket. Bought it because it's black. I don't know. Like, I feel like you can never have too many baskets, but maybe you can when you're inside like a tiny little living area. It's been on and off rain all day. I'm debating on, like, I was gonna like cook something outside, but I think I'm just gonna go and get some food for dinner, and maybe hopefully in the morning time I can make coffee here in the 4Runner or outside. I'm yet to do that. It's always something, but I'm just relaxing here, to be honest with you. I do have my fan on. Y'all, those hooks, I'm so excited that I found those hooks. It's been lots of on and off rain. It'll like stop raining and like suddenly rain will come down again. So very unpredictable. It's not like it's like, you know, a rain shower or come through and then gone. It's just on and off all day. I attempted to make coffee. I used like my overlanding kitchen for the first time, and then it started raining again. It was like blue skies. Like the skies are blue. I was like, okay, I can get out. I can make some coffee. But no, like, I guess, I don't know. But it's so weird. It was so blue out there. And then the storm rolled in. Coffee, so I can like semi enjoy the rest of my day by like being able to like focus and read or do something. But the rain just won't let me be great. I'm gonna sleep real good tonight because I'm not gonna have like the freeway traffic, the interstate traffic. I don't have to really worry about people walking around or just. I'm gonna have to fix this one because it doesn't want to stay up, or put like some kind of Velcro or something for that. But anyway, I was gonna leave that open just because there's a little bit more sunlight left in the day. Just enjoy that. I am about to eat my dinner and then watch a movie or YouTube videos. And then it's like 7:25 right now. So I'm estimating like around 9 o'clock. I'm going to go and I'm going to go use the restroom and then like tuck myself in for the night. That is truly unbelievable. Yeah, it's a real deal. Experience these high definition. I'm going to sleep with my sleeping bag tonight. I feel like at home, normally I have like a weighted blanket. And I might have to get one for here. But this right here, I think will be helpful in keeping me just snugged and kind of in one place. Good morning. It is 7, I think. I woke up, I think, like 2 times last night. Better than before. I actually have, if you look out there, I have a power cord coming from the little power station into the car. So my fan was on all night. I didn't have to worry about losing power. Today is Labor Day. I'm going to attempt to like make coffee. Last night I did make some coffee, or yesterday evening, but it started raining. Let me see, the skies is overcast. We'll see if I can be able to make anything. I'll look at the forecast. Make coffee outside of my car. But yeah, I'm going to do that and then get packed up and then head home. And it is sprinkling out here. highly doubt I'll be able to do what I want to do. So I think I'm going to call it good. I think I'm going to just go ahead and go use the restroom and head home. I think my journey's over here. I'm really sad about this. So I am going to go use the restroom and then head home. So most of the Texas state parks have free little libraries. Oh no, the wood has gotten rained on and there's a tarp there. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Santa Claus, please and thank you. God's Happy Family, Little Jewel Bird. It's the counting book. Found some books for my classroom and to give to some other teachers as well. It is. Oh, there's a trailhead right there, I guess. It looks like it. I'm just driving in the opposite direction of leaving just to kind of ride through the park. Since I haven't done that, just did to my campground basically. And I can't remember if there's a loop here or not. They say it's the overlook area. I can see that, but I imagine back in the day you could more see the lake. Everything has grown up. And that's a wrap. I went and got a sticker from the little entry place and I'm headed home.